I will be discussing a new coaster concept that's been released from RMC, aka Rocky Mountain Construction, and they recently announced a possible new concept as an RMC hybrid family coaster, and yeah, so it looks like it's just a little coaster, just a little mini RMC, like what you usually see on you know, like Twisted Colossus, those RMCs. The only difference is, of course, it will not have any inversions. Obviously, it's going to be a family RMC. So, for those of you who are still, uh, young thrill seekers, like maybe kids who are trying to get used to the bigger RMCs like Twisted Colossus or Joker and Hakugi. Uh, this is gonna be a smaller version of that. You do gonna get probably a lot of floater air though. I don't think that you're gonna get a lot of ejector on this. I mean, if you look at the wave turn on the right side, that looks just wicked and wild. Obviously, they can't really make it more steeper because this is only meant for kids. So, uh, all I know is that there's one going to Fun Spot in Atlanta, Georgia. So people are saying that there's now going to be two RMCs in Georgia, Georgia Cyclone, and the new family RMC hybrid coming to Fun Spot America in Atlanta. So uh, it doesn't really look that tall. It's probably, I guess, between maybe 20 feet or probably the same height as Oscar's Waxy Taxi, about that height, or pretty similar to Invader at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, probably around that height. Usually, family coasters are not that tall because they want to make sure that the kids can go on it. So that because if they're gonna make it too extreme, then it's not possible for the kids to go on it because there are certain rules that they need to follow. But this concept looks a little bit adorable for the young ones, and I can see that you know maybe teens can also go on it. I think. I mean, if they will let the teenagers go, I mean, I think that's what they did to Invader. They're also letting teenagers ride it. So obviously, not just the kids can ride it or the parents, but probably anybody can ride this. Obviously, that's why it's called a family coaster. It's meant for everybody. For teenagers, parents, and kids can go on it. So why would it be for just kids? So, and if you zoom in closely, the cars look like they're also gonna be using the same cars as you see on those usual RMC hybrids like Twisted Colossus, Hakugi, and Joker. The same restraints using shin guards and a seat belt. Looks like that's what they're gonna be doing according to the image here zoomed in. So you can see it's the same cars as the original RMC. Like I said, the only difference is it's a smaller footprint, so it's meant for the little ones. So that's it about the family RMC hybrid coaster. What are your thoughts about this concept? Do you guys like it? Do you think it's kind of a stupid idea? Uh, do you wish that this didn't happen? Do you want to see this in another park besides Fun Spot Atlanta? So uh, post your comments below and share your thoughts below. And be sure to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.